Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your location on Etsy. To change your location on Etsy account, first of all, open a web browser of your preference and type in etsy.com in the URL box and search. You'll then end up with the official website for Etsy. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and once logged in, go to the top right corner of the screen and tap on the Your Account tab. In the pop-up, click on Account Settings. Inside the Account Settings tab, scroll down and go to Region drop-down and click on it. Now select a different region or your address you want to change to and click on Save Settings. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to change your location or your region on Etsy. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.